Tinatamad ako ngayong araw. I'm feeling lazy today. Sana wag ka nang magtampo. I hope you're not upset anymore. Kailangan kong bumalik sa trabaho. I had to get back to work. Sino yan? Who is that? Saan kaya yun? Where could that be? Anong nangyari sa mukha mo? What happened to your face? Bakit nawala ang pera ko dito? Why did my money disappear here? Sinong kumuha ng mangga? Who took the mango? Natatakot kasi ako baka isipin nila na hindi ko kaya ang trabaho ko. I'm afraid they might think that I can't handle my job. Huwag kang mag-alala, mas mabuti nang humingi ng tulong kaysa mabigo. Don't worry, it's better to ask for help than to fail.